wrong, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a dermaplaning vlog. So basically I'm getting dermaplaning done, which is like a little knifey thing that goes on your face. It gets rid of that I was about to say fur. Gets rid of that really fine layer of hair on your face, which a lot of is called peachfuzz or something, I think, something like that. But also it can help acne scarring. It can reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It can help like your skin. It's suitable for all types of skin as well, which I think is really, really good. But yes, I'm really excited to get it done. Obviously, my skin's not too bad at the moment. I have just been out with the dog, but this isn't too bad. This is the side that used to be bad, but it's not too bad. So I'm very excited to get this done. Oh, okay. I'm sure I'll know a lot more benefits once I've had it done, so I will tell you all the benefits and stuff when I know them. But yeah, so if you want to see me get this treatment, please enjoy another facial type vlog. I love doing these because I think it's like educational for me, but also you guys get to see what other treatments are out there that you might not have heard of, that you might want to try for your face. So yes, I hope this is fun, useful, fun to watch, kind of. But yeah. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so this is the beginning of the facial. It starts off with 2 cleanses, and each time it is cleansed and then washed off, and then cleansed and then washed off. And obviously that is super good for your skin anyway, to get any, I guess, dirt and stuff off your skin. So after the cleanses, this is a toner, which is very alcoholic before they actually start the proper dermaplaning, I guess. And yeah, so it just feels really, really tight on your skin. And then we start with, I should have asked what this little thing is called, but it's basically like a little shaver thing. And as you can see, it's starting to take off any dead skin and any, I guess, hair that is on your face. So that is generally what you see on the paper I show you at the end. You do see what comes off the skin, but a lot of it is the hair from your face. It depends how hairy you are, but also you see like dead skin as well. So obviously this is a better shot, as you will see how much comes off. You can see it starting to come up there. I find that, like, as you can see, I'm watching it because it's so fascinating, and I was worried that it was going to make some of my spots worse, because obviously you feel like it's scratching over it. It didn't hurt at all. I will just say it wasn't even that sharp. I thought it was going to be sharper, and yeah, it kind of feels weird because it literally feels like you're getting a shave done. You know, I guess one of them proper ones where they put the soap on you and then shave with, I guess, a similar thing, I suppose. So yeah, obviously there's so much that comes off this side because, again, it is hair. But yeah, so it really, really does help with dry skin and getting rid of all that kind of fluff on your face. So yeah, this is kind of it, and she does this all over my face. It also helps with blackheads, so she does my nose, and it helps to minimize pores and tighten skin, helps fine lines and wrinkles. The only thing I did find weird was doing the neck. It literally feels so like you're getting a shave done. But yeah, so at the start, when you first get it done, my skin did look red, but that calms down. Like I said, she does my nose, and obviously there's no hair on your nose, so it proves like it isn't just hair. There is a lot of other stuff that they do get off. Such an ugly shot. I'm so sorry about that. And then she just goes over with a little mirror, as you can see, and that knifey thing again. I'm sure it's got a proper name, but just looking over, I guess, to see if she's missed anything. And this is literally the end of that little part of the facial. This is just a little clip of my skin straight after that like part of the facial. She hasn't put anything on my skin. It is literally straight after that. What happens now is, I think it's called eucalyptus mask, I think. I might be wrong. She's just explained to me that she didn't take off too much near my eyebrows because obviously she didn't want to get rid of the shape. So this is like a little mask, and it does sting slightly because I have a few blemishes as well, but also it's taken off that top layer of skin. And basically she just rubs it into the skin, and I obviously had my eyes shut, so I wasn't really sure what she meant, but basically it gets rid of that extra dry skin or anything that's left that the knife, I suppose, didn't get. And as you can see, she told me to look, and you can see all the dry skin coming off. This worked like wonders on my nose, and then once she done that, she wiped it off, and then she put on this mask, which I actually kept because it had a lot of the lotion kind of stuff that was in the mask. This has a lot of stuff in it to just kind of this was a irritation one, I think, so it helps reduce any inflammation or irritation. So yeah, like, I do love how my skin feels. This mask was absolutely freezing. Like, she did say this will feel really, really cold, and it did. It almost made my eyes water a bit. But I actually found this facial really relaxing. It doesn't hurt, it's not scratchy. I thought it was going to kind of be a little bit painful, like over blemishes too, but it's not. So yeah, she left that mask on for about 15 minutes just to soak right in, and then it's been washed off. No, it's not, that's a lie. And then she's just sort of pushing that into my skin, and then she's applied a moisturizer and then a sun cream at the end, because you've taken off that top layer of skin, and your skin is very, very sensitive. Sun cream or a protector that a factor that your moisturizer has in is really important. So yeah, I've been using a moisturizer anyway that has sun protector in it, like a sun protection factor, so that is quite important because you don't want it to make your skin kind of like I guess flare up or get any red. But this is my face straight after. Obviously it is a little bit red from the blemishes, but yeah, so I'll update you in a couple of days. Okay, so I've just come out, obviously, where it's been had the scraper thing on it. My breakouts are a little bit pink, but other than that, like, it looks really, really good. Oh, it's so cold. I'm shaking. Anyway, so I'm gonna let you know how it goes in the next day or so.
That is not correct.
Day or so, and we'll see how it goes. But it looks nice and shiny, and it feels amazing. So I'm excited. Morning, everyone. So it's Monday morning. I had the facial done on Saturday. So yesterday I literally did nothing. My skin was fine. It was a little bit dry, like around my nose. It still is here. But other than that, it was fine. All I will say as well is normally I have like animals. Normally I'm not allergic to my cat or anything. But my cat, his tail went under my chin, and I was so itchy here, and it just like really irritated me. And it does say that on the aftercare. It says that your skin is more irritated. Why you should wear like sun cream and stuff when you go out. Obviously my moisturizer has a factor in it anyway, so that's good. But yeah, so that's just a little bit of information. I thought I'd show you my skin. Obviously some of the spots have come out. Obviously she said that would happen anyway, because you are bringing all the stuff out of your skin, but I knew I had a couple of these spots anyway because I could feel them under the skin. So yeah, I'm going to see how it's like tomorrow, and I'm going to try wearing makeup tomorrow. You can wear makeup pretty much straight away, however I didn't really want to. I just wanted to like let my skin kind of breathe. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure I've got like moisturizer on and stuff today, because I'd feel like if it was really windy, it would really like, I'd feel it on my skin, and I don't know, because my skin, it feels sensitive. Which, by the way, my skin feels amazing. Which we'll just add, I am in my pyjama top. Okay, so yeah, I'll update you tomorrow or whenever I try makeup on, and show you what it looks like. But so far my skin feels incredible, and yeah, that itchiness has gone now. It was just literally yesterday my cat's tail. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever I do makeup. So I've just done my skin for the first time since the Derma-Planing. All I will say is my forehead and around my nose is quite dry, so it kind of looks a little bit crackled sometimes, like, but I haven't put any setting spray on it yet, so I'm going to zoom in and show you. This is obviously the side that I had obviously I had it Derma-Planing like all over, but it looks so nice. It's really smooth. And yeah, I'm just really happy with it. You can still, I haven't put thick makeup on today, so you can still see like some of my blemishes. However, I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really nice. On my head it is quite dry, as you can see a little bit. However, I haven't setting spray, I haven't put setting spray or anything on, so that makes a huge difference. Okay. So yeah, this is the end of the video. This is my makeup now. I feel like it looks so lovely. Obviously close up there is dryness and there is still a few blemishes, but oh my god, it looks so much better. My skin feels amazing. As you can see, my makeup looks lovely. Like, it doesn't look blotchy or anything like that. I didn't expect it to, but I don't know, some of you may. So yeah, this is the finished vlog series, I guess. Dermaplaning. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want any information, I will link it all below. Of Chantel is the girl that I know who did the facial for me. She does a lot of other things. She's also who I got the micro needling from. So if there's anything that you need, then I will link it in the description. If it's not there, then please comment. Contact me on social media, anything like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I love doing like facial vlogs because, like I said in the start, I find it quite like interesting for me to test stuff out on my skin, but I guess you find out facials and things that you might not necessarily have known. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.